Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. In this part, we are going to watch how to add items to the list box, which is staying in panel 2, and the controls are on panel 1. So this exercise here will help you to understand that we can freely access the components no matter where it stays, whether it stays at panel 1 or panel 2. We can directly access the control by its name. Here, if you see, so here we are implementing the click event for the add item button, and btn add is the name we gave, and the event here is click. And if you see, we are accessing this list control here. List items is a collection here, dot add. So we are making call to the add method of the collection that is tied to this list box, and the list box is staying in panel 2. Then we are taking the text box content and we are giving that to the add method. So ultimately this will add the item. See here, item 6, that's what user typed here in this text box. Then they are clicking the add item button and the item 6 will get added. Similarly, we can remove item, and if you see here, we are using the list collection items. Then we are making call to remove it. For remove it, we are passing the index like 0, 1, 2, like that we can pass. So the index that is retrieved using the list dot selected index. That means if item 4 is selected here, the index will be 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 will be passed here, and the item 4 will get removed. And if you see here, the command buttons and the list box all are in panel 1, but the click event is acting on the list box in panel 2, and these two panels are splitted by this splitter. Now let's go to Visual Studio for demo. So here is our form. In the last video, we talked about this form design. We also talked about the document outline. Alright, now let us implement the click event for add item. Then for remove item. So as already shown in the PPT, here we are adding item to the list box. So this is the list box, item is the collection, add is the method for the items collection, and we are passing the text box string. And for remove method, we are making call to remove it, and we are passing the index. And if you see, the remove method is taking into index. Now let's run this. So here we added 4 items, and let us remove item 5. So we clicked item 5, and I'm clicking here remove item, so that removes the item 5. So this will automatically add the scroll bar, and you can see that here. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.